The extraordinary properties of flax seeds in slimming and strengthening the body. Among the seeds and plants that have been known for a long time, flax seeds or flax seeds have been known for 6,000 years, and their benefits have been used as one of the most rich nutritional factors. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatory substances along with antioxidants called lignans and other substances and vitamins. The presence of these substances in flax seeds can help strengthen internal organs and lose weight. Flax seeds have two types, golden and brown, which are very similar in terms of nutrition. Note that edible flax seeds should not be confused with flax seeds used to feed birds. Flax seeds can be used for proper nutrition and strengthening the body, as well as flax seeds for weight loss, which can prevent diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. Nature of flax seeds. Flax seeds are usually cold and buoyant in nature, and due to their high oil content, they help relieve internal and external inflammation in the body. Flax seeds also contain soluble fiber, which is beneficial in lowering blood cholesterol, improving bowel function, and cardiovascular health. When consumed, to improve the nutritional absorption of flax seeds, it is best to grind them and use them in various foods such as yogurt, desserts, and salads. However, excessive consumption of flax seeds may lead to digestive problems such as gas and bloating due to their significant fiber content. Flax seeds are great for weight loss and are an excellent source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber in flax seeds can form a gel-like substance that aids in digestion, blood sugar regulation, and cholesterol reduction. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stools, regulates bowel movements, and promotes gut health. Whether in smoothies or in foods, flax seeds help with weight management, heart health, blood sugar control, and gut health. It is best to grind the seeds to maximize nutrient absorption. How to use flax seeds for weight loss: 1. Yogurt or cheese. Mix ground flax seeds with yogurt, cheese, or any other dairy product to boost their nutritional value. 2. Cereals. Sprinkle flax seeds on top of your morning cereal to boost its nutritional value. 3. Baking cakes and cookies. Add ground flax seeds to your cookie, bread, and pancake recipes. They can sometimes be a good substitute for flour. 4. Salads. To benefit from flax seeds for weight loss, add them to your salad. 5. Chewing flax seeds. The easiest thing to do is to chew some flax seeds. These seeds release their flavor as you chew them and give you a good feeling. 6. Portable snack. Get a small jar and mix flax seeds with other aromatic seeds and nuts and eat a little of them whenever you get hungry. Precautions for consuming flaxseed. It is important to note the following points when consuming this medicinal plant. Do not eat raw or unripe seeds, as they may be toxic. If you consume ground flaxseed, be sure to consume it with plenty of water. Men with prostate cancer should consult their doctor before consuming this seed. Although rare, allergic reactions to flaxseed and flaxseed oil have also been reported. Women with breast, uterine, or ovarian cancer or endometriosis should ask their doctor before consuming this medicinal plant, as it may act like the hormone estrogen in the body. Some researchers also believe that pregnant women should not consume this medicinal plant, as it may act like estrogen in the body. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, ask your doctor before consuming flaxseed. People with intestinal obstruction, inflamed intestines, or small esophagus should not consume flaxseed. Keep in mind that this ground medicinal seed is high in fiber, with 2 grams per tablespoon. While fiber is beneficial, increasing your intake too quickly can lead to digestive problems, including gas and bloating.